Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get custom alarm sound on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need an app to create custom alarm sounds. Open the App Store, tap on Search and look for GarageBand. This app is made by Apple, so you might already have it installed. If not download it, then open it up. GarageBand works in landscape mode, so your screen will rotate. If you see a filter explorer, tap the plus button in the top right. Make sure tracks is selected, then scroll through and tap on audio recorder. In this mode, you'll be recording the sound you want to use for your alarm. To record, play the sound from another device, like a computer, TV or another phone. Hold your iPhone close and tap the red record button. Once you're done, tap the square stop button to finish. Tap play to listen back. To make sure everything is set correctly, tap the gear icon, settings, in the top right. Turn off metronome and count in, so you don't hear extra clicks. Increase the track length by tapping the plus button next to the numbers at the top. Once you're happy with the recording, tap the downward arrow in the top left, then select My Songs to save it. Find your recorded file in GarageBand. Tap and hold the file, then select Share. Choose Ringtone. Don't worry, ringtones also work as alarm sounds. And tap Export. Now let's apply your new sound to an alarm. Open the clock app, go to Alarms and tap the plus button to create a new one. Set the time, then tap Sound, scroll to Ringtones, and at the top you'll see your custom sound. Tap it. Press back, then save your alarm. And that's it. Next time you hear your custom sound. If this tutorial helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time!